everybody. Welcome to the Mechanicsville branch of Pamunkey Regional Library. I'm Cindy Hooper.
And I'm Carolyn Lewis.
And today we're going to show you for one of our kitchen close-ups how to make teddy bear toast. Carolyn, what do we need for this today?
Okay, we're going to need some bread and toast it. We've already toasted our bread. Some peanut butter, which is going to be the base on top of the toast. We're going to need some bananas, which are going to be the nose and the ears. And then we have raisins for the eyes and the snout.
Awesome. All right. So
let's get started.
Yeah. Do we spread our peanut butter on first?
Yes, just spread your peanut butter on first, however thick you like it.
I kind of like a lot.
I do too.
I'm going to move this out of the way. Yeah, peanut butter is good stuff. All
And
right.
like Cindy said, no recipe required.
That's right. No recipe required.
We like these.
Yeah, nice and easy for everybody. The only thing you might need is ask your mom for a knife to cut your banana before you go get going on yourself. All right, so we need to slice up our banana.
Yep, next is the banana. I'm just going to use my knife here.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3.
All right.
So this is going to be just the face of the bear.
Right. So these are the ears.
Mm-hmm. Of course, always wash your hands first, which we have.
Yes.
Ears, and then in the middle.
Maybe down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 ears and a snout.
Now we need raisins.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 3 raisins. Oh, I got extra. So 2 eyes right here.
Now we need to make the eyes. 2 raisins for an eye. Oh my gosh, that already makes it cute.
It does. The eyes make a huge difference.
Things are funner to eat if they're cute.
Yes, and then this just goes right on
Right
the
on
nose.
his snout. We're going to just push that down in there a little bit.
Yep, it'll kind of stick. It's good enough.
Oh, that's so cute.
All right, let's show them what it looks like.
And then you're done. All that's left is the eating.
Yeah, look at your teddy bear. Adorable.
All right.
Enjoy your teddy bear toast.
That's right, dig in.
Bye-bye.
Bye.